Thank you. Okay, so for question 8a, you have this drawing over there. Here is 4/9 radian, 4 pi over 9 radian. Here is theta. Here is 90 degrees. Here is pi over 3 radian. Okay? So all this is back to your understanding of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four-sided. Four-sided, I will think of rectangle or square. Then 4 times of 90, so the total interior angle will add up to 360. These 4 angles will add up to 360 degrees. Okay? Then what I need to know is 360 degrees. Every pi radian is 180. So 360 degrees is also 2 pi radian. Because now all the angles are given in radian. So you need to know this, and then you need to be able to know that 360 is the same as 2 pi. Then, how do I find theta? These 4 adds up to 2 pi radian, meaning I can write down 4 pi over 9 plus theta plus pi over 3 plus 90 degrees. This one you know is 90 degrees. Then 90 degrees you must also know. 90 degrees is the same as pi over 2 radian. Because pi is 180. So some of these angle straight away you can know already. So this one plus pi over 2 is equals to 2 pi. Because 4 angles adds up to 360 degrees. So these 4 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, they add up to 2 pi. Then I just need to do a bit of algebraic manipulation. Keep my theta here. My 2 pi is on the right hand side. All this just bring to the other side of 2 pi minus 4 pi over 9 minus pi over 3 minus pi over 2. Then I can find my theta. Since all these are in pi, one way that instead of keying pi so many times, I can press 2 minus 4 over 9 minus pi 1/3 minus half also can. Or you press calculator for everything also can. Okay? Let me find my calculator. Okay, sorry. The question say give your answer in terms of pi. So we don't want to key in pi. So if we don't want to key in pi, it's a bit like treating it as x like that. If I have 2x minus 4 over 9x minus 1/3 x minus half x, I also can just key in calculator 2 minus 4 over 9 minus 1/3 minus half. Then what is left behind is x. So the idea is actually the same one. It's like I factorize out the pi, then I have 2 minus 4 over 9 minus 1/3 minus half. This one is all number already. I just key this into calculator. Now understand or not? Equals to 13 pi over 18, correct? You all got press calculator? Follow? Okay? You are still doing angles, just that this time round your angles are in radian or in pi radian. Can? Okay, then we move on. 8B. 8B, you have a triangle. They tell you this is an isosceles triangle. Here is pi over 4 radian. You want to find theta. Okay? If this is pi over 4, these two are the same because isosceles. This angle is the same as this angle. Inside one triangle is 180 degrees. So meaning this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equals to pi, because 180 is pi. So now this one is pi over 4, means these two adds up to pi minus pi over 4. These two adds up to pi minus pi over 4. Okay? Then divide by 2, I find each of them already, because isosceles. Okay? Okay, so each of these is 3 pi over 8. Then here is one straight line. Straight line means 180 degrees. 180 degrees means pi radian. Okay? Whole thing is pi radian. If I only want theta, this we call this theta. 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 Yeah. It is some Greek name. Greek. I think Greek. Theta. Okay, so theta is equals to 180 minus this 3 pi over 8. So 180 is pi. So pi minus 3 pi over 8. So equals to 5 pi over 8 in radian. Okay, so the entire thinking, finding angle, no difference from angles in degrees. Just that now everything changed to use radian. No change one. The idea is no change one. Okay? Then 8B and 8C and 8D, you all can take a look when you go home feeling like you want to do math.
Yes.
Then we go to question 9. 9A. Now we have a right angle triangle. B, C, D. Here is 16. Here is X. Here is 0.47 radian. Okay? So be careful. Same, they give us the angle. But when we see this radian, we must know this one is no longer in degrees. This one is in radian. Okay? So imagine if I know this angle, I don't care what angle it is, whether it's in degrees or is it in radian. When I have a right angle triangle, I want to find the value of x. Right angle triangle, finding side or finding angle. Right angle triangle, my thinking is still number 1. Can I use Pythagoras? Can I use Tuakaso? Okay, because got right angle triangle. Then very simple one. Then I want to find this side, but I don't know this side. Then I cannot use Pythagoras. So I want to use Tuakaso. Tuakaso, I need to have an angle. Do I have an angle? Yes, I know this angle. Then I want to use this angle. I want to use this side to help me find this side. So I go back to what are these sides. This one is the longer side. This one is my hypotenuse. This side is touching my angle. So this side is the adjacent. adjacent hypotenuse, so I must use cosine. So I write down cosine of 0.47 is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Make x the subject. So I don't want this denominator 16 here. Multiply it across. Then just press calculator, I get my answer. But this is the part where I have to be careful, because my calculator must know that this angle is in radian. So I must go to my calculator, look at the mode, make sure that it is in radian mode. Okay, make sure that the alphabet at the top is other. Okay, you need to get to know your calculator. Take out your calculator. Okay, so at the top, near the below the between C and L, there should have a R. If yours is D, then you have to change the mode. How to change the mode? Press shift, press setup, angle unit. First is radian, second is radian, third is radian. So if yours is in degree, go and press 2, change it to radian. 2 angle. Then it's either degree or radian. Okay? Okay? When you make sure that your calculator is in radian mode, then you just need to key in this. 16 cosine 0.47. 16 times cosine 0.47. Then your calculator will tell you 14.265 or 14.3 3SF. Can? Okay? Okay? So the important thing is pi is 180 degrees. The important thing is your calculator. Other than that, all your angles is still the same one. The idea is still the same. Your tuakaso is still the same. Even your sine rule, cosine rule, all still the same. Okay, part B you all can do at home. Part 10. 10A. I have a triangle. 8 over here, 16 over here. This is my angle. I want to find the angle. So again, right angle triangle, finding angle. So should be tuakaso. Then this is the angle I want to find. 16 is still the hypotenuse. 8 opposite the angle. So I want to know what links O and H. Tuakaso, so sine. Then I write down sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Simplify. Then I want to find angle. So if I want to find angle, I want to remove this sine so that I have angle on the left. I want to remove sine, I must sine inverse. I must sine inverse both sides. Then the sine inverse here, cancel this. The sine inverse here, I press inside calculator. So sine inverse of half. Okay? Normally if you press your calculator, if it's in degree mode, the answer come out will be 30 degrees. Okay? But because now it's in radian mode, when you press sine inverse of 0.5, it will tell you 0.5235. 0.523598 or roughly 0.524 radian. Okay, can. This is also 30 degrees, by the way. 0.524 is actually 30 degrees. Okay, find the area. Next question. 11A. I know in right. Okay, try. Actually, you all should be able to do. Finding area. Don't have right angle. Don't have base and height. Means half AB sine C. Half AB sine C, just that this time round your angle is in radian. But the working wise is the same. Try. Don't sit there, do nothing. Huh? 11A. Half AB sine C. Actually, half AB sine C is the solution. So I already tell you the solution. Green. Okay. Triangle 10.5. You know this angle. You know this is 7. You want to find area. So area, I don't have base and height. I don't have 90 degrees. Units, what are you looking at? Okay. So my area must be equals to half AB sine C. There is only one angle that you know. So your 1.2 is going to come here. Okay? Then your A and B is always the sides that are sandwiching your angle. This side and this side. So your area is half times 7 times 10.5 times sine of 1.2. But again, you must make sure your calculator is in radian mode. If it's in degree mode, you are telling the calculator this angle is 1.2 degree. But actually they are talking about 1.2 radian. Okay? So 1.2 radian is not 1.2 degree, it is larger. So if you don't put it in radian mode, your calculator don't know. So you must make sure it's in radian mode, then you key in this, you get your answer. Half A B sine 1.2. 34.252. You all got the same answer? cm squared. Black better or green better? A. These questions all good, got A and B. I do A, you do B. A. C, A, B. X is here. 1.45 radian, 9.9, 11.3. You are asked to solve for x. X is one of the sides. So triangle, I want to solve for a length, I want to solve for a side. Can I use Pythagoras? No 90 degrees. Cannot use Picasso. So next thing I will be thinking is, can I use sine rule? Sine rule, I need to fulfill a certain condition. The condition is I need to know a pair of angle and the side. So in this case, I don't have a known pair of angle and side. I know this angle, I don't know this side. I know this side, I don't know this angle. I know this side, I don't know this angle. So I also cannot use sine rule. So I must go and think cosine rule. Okay, cosine rule, then I will refer back to the cosine rule. What is the formula? The first page of your question paper. Then it will tell you a square equals to, do they use a square? A square equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc cosine a. Or is it c square? Correct. Okay. Okay, doesn't matter one, but you must know this one a square and this one. Okay?
Yeah, it is. Because see the C.
Hey, I am not referring to that ABC there. I just saying in general.
Like that lah, that's correct.
In general, if I want to write it according to this one, then I must write, because this is the angle I know, then I must write c square.
Sorry, can I inform the 4344 G2SS students that the lesson will be at D303 today? This is 443.
4 maybe 4.
43 students.
Only got one Gabriel 4-3.
The rest are where?
Oh,
Library.
library.
Okay, can. D303. Okay, thank you.
Okay, just now I writing it in general. Okay, the one that is given in your formula booklet of the formula sheet. But this one, if I want to specifically say what is C, what is A, I know this angle, so I must put this as the big C. Okay? Can? Ah yeah. No time already. Okay, finish this one first. So the importance of cosine rule is I must know where go where. So 1.45 is the only angle I know. It must come here. Okay? So it must be cosine 1.45. And from this 1.45, if it is here, C, I must put the opposite here. So my X must put here. My A and B, I can put either one. 11.3 square plus 9.9 square minus 2, 11.3, 9.9. From there, then you can solve already. Okay? Okay, all the other questions you all do on your own. Then next lesson we go to arc length sector area in radian measure. Okay?